Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. The rise yesterday have closed all the longs out there and now the markets and commodities all trading with a drop there. It's a weekend. Let's see what lies ahead there for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. First we'll look into gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end we'll see Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the entry levels, the exit, the take profits, and the trading behavior of these instruments. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1865 level. See on the hourly charts, it is showing a reversal candle here after this drop. It has tried to rise, failing to go past this zone at 1868. Now 1868 is giving it a stronger resistance and then 1870 level. So I will recommend you to go long only if it trades beyond 1870, else it may try to reverse back a bit. At the same time, any drop below this zone at 1862, it is going to be considered as little bit bearish. Where on the downside, how far it can go? See, it has got its this complete stretch to cover out here, and hence it may try to come up till towards 1857 1855 levels, which are strong support levels. The direction movement is bullish. The stochastic is oversold but now trying to rise. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. Here on the hourly chart, the RSI2 is looking downwards. So as I told in the morning today, when most of the indicators were overbought, I told that probably we may see a little drop, and this is what is happening right now. But it is taking a support here at 1865 level, the next support level at 1860, and then 1857-55 zone till 1850 levels. It can try to drop. If it continues below 1862 levels, we can expect it to drop for 1857 1855 levels. Now on the upside, breaking past 1868 or rather 1870, it can rise a bit. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over for a bearish move here, and after a long time, see, I had told you that it may try to converge, and now this is crossed over for a sell off here. So I'll be cautious. The RSI is looking downwards, is sloping downwards. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, after a little bit of green candle, it tried to reverse. Now probably see lower lows here, and hence I'll be looking forward to this zone at 1862. Breaking this, we can expect it to drop more till towards 1857 and 1855 levels. Below that, it can try to drop more till towards 1850 level if it continues to trade in this fashion. First support at 1855 and then the next support at 1850 is what we can see here. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is oversold here, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI is also sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, the candle is trying to reverse. See, first higher lows, higher highs. So I will be watchful of this zone at 1862-64. Any breakout below 1862 is going to give you a stronger move on the downside. I'll be watchful of that. If it breaks 1862, we can expect it to come back. See, this zone at 1860 is the support, then 1855 levels will give it a support, and then 1852-50 levels will come into picture. The directional movement is bullish still. The stochastic was overbought. It is dropping as I told in the morning today. And the directional movement here, if you see, the MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a buy, sell, and then RSI is sloping downwards, so indicating more of a little bearishness for the near term. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, one thing one must observe, higher highs have been seen, and if you consider this is the pivot here at 1850. With the pivot at 1850, it has seen 1830, it has seen 1875 levels. Now probably swinging here, it may try to come back till here 1850 levels. There is a probability that 1852 50 levels, if it continues to drop below 1862, we can expect those levels, but it is only possible if it drops and sustains below 1862, below which there is a little support at 1860, and then it will try to drop towards 1855 and 1852 levels. So go short at 1862, do not short before 1862. And yes, as the nearest resistance is just $2 away, so as soon as you see at 1860, do keep your or do shift your stop loss at 1860 to the entry price itself. If it bounces back, close your levels and you can re-enter always. So if it breaks at 1860, the next target obviously is towards 1855, 1850 to 50 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Any move above 1870 is a good level to go long for 1875, 1880 and 1890 levels. Stochastic is entering overbought levels. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. The RSI is trading flat here. So take your positions accordingly. Go long at 1870, go short at 1862. Do not trade between these $8. But the nearest resistance on the downside is at 1860. Hence, be cautious there. If it breaks that, we may see it falling till towards 1855-56 levels, and below that we may see it 50-52 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See on the hourly charts, you can see this was the consolidation here. It broke the supports here at around 12,850 levels and 12,880 levels and broke nicely. Now it is trading with a drop. Second consecutive red candle. After this consolidatory candle, a bigger drop, then a smaller candle. Now see the body size is diminishing, so I'll be cautious there. We may see a little rise till towards 12,800 before it looks forward to any further drop, so be cautious there. 12,820 will be the next resistance level. Beyond that, I'll be looking forward to this zone at 12,880 as the next resistance zone. Beyond that, it will fly high again. The hourly charts directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold and hence a reversal can be expected. The MACD is wide, divergent and sloping extremely high. It can try to converge from here. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bit of bearishness. If you look at the 2-hour charts, what it is trying to show, see the candle size is increasing here. So there is a probability that it can try to fall till towards the zone. Again, 12,650 is going to be a stronger support zone for Nasdaq 100. Below that, see what we have seen till now, 12,700 first support and then 12,650, this is the second support. Breaking below 12,650, there could be a sharper drop. So I'll be recommending you to watch out for 12,700 and 12,650 today. If it bounces back from 12,700, it is going to rise again. Directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is about to cross over for a sell off here, so I'll be cautious. If it gets another red candle, it will be extremely divergent and more bearishness can be expected. The RSI is sloping downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see it is the candle has just started, but another point to observe, the candle size is diminishing in nature. It means the bullishness is getting reduced. So yes, there could be a support which it might get at around 12,690, 12,700 levels, which is going to be a stronger support. At the same time, we may see 12,800, 820 zone as a stronger resistance. So in between these levels, I'll be still watchful. On the downside, you may see it coming till towards 12,650 first resistance and then 12,600 the next target. Below that, we may see a sharper fall. Now see, it is trying to get the support from this zone, and hence 12,640 levels can be expected if it continues to drop, and then the bounce back can be expected. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI, see it is the MACD is stochastic, it is overbought and it's still seen a sharper fall. So the sharper the fall, the sharper the rise. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI is trading flat. If you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour chart, the candle is taking shape and it is red in color. So it may give you similar size of candle where we have seen 12,880 to 12,780 levels, almost 100 points there. And if it breaks from here, we can expect that it can try to go back till towards 140 points. So 12,640 and 12,700 levels I'll be watchful of. Coming till towards 12,600, it can try to bounce back a little. That is what I will expect it from Nasdaq 100 today. The directional movement is crossing over for a sell there. The RSI, the stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts here, on the daily charts, see it is trying to reverse the gains from what we have seen, double top almost and achieving the high. That is trying to reverse. So there is, right now it is getting pulled downwards till towards this level. So I will be cautious with the longs till the time it is rather I will say today 12,950 is the only level which will indicate that it is strongly bullish. However, on the minor time frames, I will still recommend you to go long at 12,820 for the target at 12,900 and 12,920 levels. In fact, 12,950, if it breaks, we may see a sharper rise. Till that time it trades below, probably 12,700 is going to provide a stronger support, and then 12,640 levels. These two levels are taken, we can expect it to go back till towards 12,550 and below levels. Now directional movement is bullish, but it is trading with a little I can say divergence there. The stochastic was overbought, looking downwards from here. the MACD is trying to converge, or right now it is trading parallel, but it is trying to converge here. The RSI is sloping downwards. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go short only if you see it trading below 12, or rather I will say yes, if it drops below 12,700 you can go short for 12,640 levels and 12,600 levels, and if it breaks 12,600 we may see a little drop till towards 12,550, 12,500. These two levels have already provided a stronger support, and in fact below that we may see it coming till towards 12,400 levels, so be cautious there. At the same time, breaking 12,820, go long there, then you can expect 12,900, 12,950, and beyond that sky is the limit. It is going to give you sharper green candle on the upside, so there is a possibility of reversal. Till the time it trades about 12,640, 12,700 levels, we can expect it to reverse from there, leaving a sharper trail. It may try to give you a stronger reversal. So yes, you can go long at around 12. You can see how it behaves at around 12,600 levels, 640 levels. If you see any reversal from there, just go long from there, and definitely you can expect it to achieve 12,820, 12,900, 12,950, and in fact higher levels on the upside till towards 13,000 levels can be seen. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside about 12,820 you can definitely remain long, where you can expect it to hit 12,900, 950, and beyond that definitely it will rise. Below 12,700 initiate a short position for 12,640, 12,600. See, both sides need to trade. If you see it breaking below 12,700, go short there for 12,640, 12,600, and if you see it reversing from there, close your shorts and go long, so you can benefit both ways. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts getting consolidated here. It is shown a good break. Now look at this. Here is the support levels. We have seen it consolidating here. It has come back to this zone at 33,050 levels. So I'll be watchful of this zone. Specifically, I'll be watchful, and it may try to drop below 33,000 once, but I'll be watchful of this zone. But now look at this, where you should enter a long entry. See, this levels at around 33,150, 180 zone, and then 33,200. Breaking past 33,150, yes, you can try to. Rather, I will say 33,180. Beyond that, you can go long, and one can expect it to rise strongly on the upside. At the same time, there is a possibility for it to drop. Once it drops below 33,000, see here is the support zone at 32,950 levels, and yes, if that is taken we may see a sharper fall on the downside. We'll try to find out the more levels for entry. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold, remember that. The MACD is wide divergent and still bearish. The RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts the candle is trading lead. See, bigger candle, smaller candle, and we may see a bigger candle which may try to bring it till towards 33,020, 33,000 level, and then the reversal can be expected. See, this is a support zone here, and on the downside still there is a support here at 32,950, 900 zone. So I'll be watchful of that. Directional movement is bearish on the 2-hour chart. The stochastic is oversold. A reversal can be expected. The MACD is trying to converge here and cross over for a sell entry, and RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour chart, so see, there is a support till here that is at around 33,000. This is the 20 period moving average. This should provide a support, and if you see this candle closing at around 33,100, consider that as reversal. Possibly go long for there, and we may see it again coming back till towards 33,300, and then it will try to hit back till towards 33,400 plus level, achieving the double top there. See, look at this. It is giving you lower highs, and be cautious there. On the downside, the sky is open till towards 33,000 levels, 32,980 levels. The stochastic was overbought and it is looking downwards here, and you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and trade little bit bearish. The RSI is trading flat. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour charts. Lower highs here, reversal candle, and then it is reversed. And see, there is a probability. Look at this, the drop here from 33,250 to 60 levels to 33,120 levels, almost 150, 160 points of drop. And hence, if it continues to drop from here, we may see it going till towards 32,950, and then there is a probability that it can try to give you third red candle. There is a little probability which exists, but yes, one should consider that as reversal. If it breaks past 33,180, definitely one can go long for 33,250, and then beyond that it may try to hit back till towards 33,300, 33,400 plus levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is overbought and looking downwards here. Similarly, if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and cross over. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, look at the daily chart, see double top is done here, and with that is double top. Lower lows have already been seen. The pivot here, it is around 33,000 levels. So these levels at 33,000 should provide a very strong support for US30 for any further drop. Achieving this zone, it may try to reverse back again. There is a probability. So I expect 32 970 950 levels should provide a very strong support for US30 for any further drop. And if you see it reversing from there, you can initiate a long entry again, which may try to take it again till towards 33,000 33,200 33,250. Also looking at the indicators here, directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is bullish and it is trying to converge. And yes, the MACD is also, the RSI is also sloping downwards. Considering this, do not go long until it is below 33,180 levels. Below 33,180, beyond 33,180, you can initiate a long entry for 33,250, and beyond that, one can expect 33,300, 33,420, and beyond that, it will fly high till towards 33,500 levels. And yes, go short only below 33,000 levels. In between these 33,000 to 33,180, rather I will say 33,970 to 33,180, 210 points. I will not recommend you to trade. It may try to swing it a bit on the either ways. So possibly below 32,970, you can take a short entry for 32,940. Below that, we may see it dropping sharply till towards 32,850 and 820 levels. If it breaks 32,800, this is going to be another downfall, which may lead it towards 32,700, 32,500 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not go long until it is below 33,180 levels. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.